Hey, welcome to another video from Medical Gear Outfitters. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate to you the Gen 7 North American Rescue CAT Tourniquet. A tourniquet is used for massive bleeding, life-threatening bleeding in the arms and the legs. So our first course of action to control the bleeding should be apply direct pressure. Maybe it's with a gloved hand, a towel, a shirt, but apply direct pressure first. If you cannot get the bleeding controlled with direct pressure, a tourniquet is then advised. The North American Rescue CAT Tourniquet here has a Velcro strap that's going to secure it around the arm or the leg. We're going to pull the red tip towards us to get better leverage, and we're going to turn the windlass until bleeding stops. You can do this as self-application or apply it to someone else. So applying the tourniquet, we want to put it at least 3 inches above the injury site. Pull the Velcro strap tight, making sure that we can't get any fingertips up under here and the Velcro is nice and secure. Then we turn the windlass until bleeding stops. You have a timestamp here that you can pull across. That's going to let us have an area to note the time of application and also helps keep the windlass secure. It's the same concept too when you're applying it to someone else. You can loop it through the extremity or you can disconnect it and connect it back. Here, still pulling the strap towards you to help get the most leverage. Pull the strap nice and tight, so I can't get any fingertips up under there. And I turn the windlass until bleeding stops. While having the right gear is important, we also recommend you have the right training. So I would recommend you look for a Stop the Bleed course or a First Care Provider course to get the proper training when to use a tourniquet.